Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this little world of flavors. Hope your day is filled with little joys and good food. Let's dive into another cozy creation, made with love and simplicity. 2 tablespoons of oil. 150 grams of chicken cut into julienne strips. Cook for a minute. Add half tablespoon of garlic crushed. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Half tablespoon of black pepper powder. At that time, turn the flame off. Half tablespoon of hot sauce. Half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Half tablespoon of chili sauce. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Now turn the flame on. Stir and cook on low heat for 12 minutes. Simmer for 10 minutes. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir well. Now add 1 cup julienne cut carrots. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Gently crush 1 chicken cube with your hand and add it in. Cook it until the chicken cube completely dissolves. No chunks should remain. Now add 1½ cup of cabbage. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of spring onion sliced. Stir. Macaroni and chicken mix is all set. In another pan, add our chicken and vegetable mix. Gently spread it in the pan. Then add 2 cups of boiled macaroni. Handle gently while mixing. Now add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Alhamdulillah. Chef's Harmony macaroni. Ready to serve. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you soon with another delicious recipe. Allah Hafiz.